Today we are taking a closer look at the FortiGate 40F, one of the most popular entry-level firewalls for small businesses, branch offices and also home lab environments. If you've ever wondered what a FortiGate actually looks like how it's built, what the ports do and how you physically set it up, this video is the perfect starting point. Before we continue, a quick heads up. This video is part 1 of a full FortiGate beginner series. In this first episode we will focus on the unboxing and explain what this device actually does. In the next videos we'll go much deeper into things like the initial setup, your WAN configuration, firewall policies and traffic flow, VLANs and network segmentation, CLI-based deployments, maintenance, backups and also firmware upgrades. So if you want to follow along and build a real-world FortiGate setup step by step, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Alright, let's continue. A FortiGate is a next generation firewall. That means it goes way beyond simple allow or block rules. It can handle deep packet inspection, IPS, antivirus, VPN, SD-WAN, routing and switching, all inside a compact and silent device. So this is not just a router, it is your gateway, your security layer, your policy engine and also your VPN hub all in one. Let's open the box and take a look. Inside the box you will find the 40F unit itself, a power adapter, a network cable and some documentation. The appliance is small, metal and also completely fanless. It is designed for reliable 24/7 operation. On the back you have your WAN port, multiple LAN ports, a USB port and the console port. On the back you also find a power connector and a grounding point. On the front you will also see some LED indicators that help you check link activity and system status. Now that we have seen the ports, let's go over how to physically set it up. Setting it up is straightforward. You place the FortiGate somewhere with proper airflow, you connect the power adapter, you connect your WAN cable from your modem and connect your LAN cable to your switch or directly to a laptop. To access the GUI for the first time, connect your laptop to a LAN port and go to the default address 192.168.1.99. Log in using the default admin account with no password and create a secure password when prompted. Once inside, you will see the dashboard with widgets for system resources, WAN status, FortiGuard services, VPN status, sessions and logs. We'll cover the configuration wizard in the next video. So where does it fit inside your network? The FortiGate typically sits at the edge of your network. You have your ISP, your FortiGate, your switch and your client and servers. It becomes a central policy engine for your internet, your VLAN segmentation, your VPN, your firewall rules, SD-WAN, etc. etc. Even though this is an entry-level model, it can replace your ISP router, your firewall, your VPN server, your content filter and your small office router, all with a single device. And that wraps up the hardware overview and unboxing of the FortiGate 40F. In the next video of the series, I'll walk you through the initial setup wizard. We will configure the basic WAN and LAN settings. I'll also help you secure the firewall from day one. If you enjoyed this video and want more FortiGate content or VLAN, policies, SD-WAN, VPNs, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the rest of the series. A huge thank you to all existing members. Your support means more than you know. And if you're watching and want to support the channel too, the join button is right below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!